So today's episode, I'm going to share with you my plant collection that is beautifully thriving this month. Yung mga halaman na i-share ko dito mga ka-jungle ay yung tumutubo talaga na maganda in this month o ngayong buwan. So if you are interested kung ano yon, just keep on watching dahil sisimulan na natin ang video na ito pagkatapos ng intro. So hello everyone, welcome again to my Facebook page and my YouTube channel, mga ka-jungle. If you are new here, I am Mark, and if you are into plants too, so you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page. So sa video nga na ito ay i-share ko sa inyo ang ating mga plant collection na nagtatrive this month o yung mga gumaganda ngayong buwan na ito. So nakikita ko lang ito sa aking garden dahil nung araw na nagdidilig ako, nag-gardening ako dito sa aking little garden, ay napapansin ko sa mga halaman na ito ay nag-grow sila ng maganda. So the first plant that we have is our angel wings begonia. So this is a beautiful and stunning house plant. So nag-grow, nagtatrive sila ngayong month kasi napansin ko gumaganda ang kanilang mga dahon dahil nga maganda ang temperature ngayong month, which is umuulan sa hapon at maganda naman ang sunlight sa umaga. So itong plant na ito, actually noong last month hindi po siya maganda. Pero ngayon, since maganda po ang temperature ngayong month, this one of my collection is thriving right now. So and as you can see, yung kanyang dahon when it comes to physical appearance of this plant ay makikita nyo naman talaga na napakaganda, which is meron siyang polka dots. So tinatawag nitong polka dots begonia and also angel wings begonia. So tinawag po siya na angel wings begonia dahil yung kanyang mga dahon ay parang pakpak ng angel, di ba? Tingnan niyo naman, half, di ba? So napakaganda po ang halaman nito, and it's good also for investment. If you want to try to invest some of your house plant, pwede kayong ito magparami. So the next house plant, or what we call a plant, kasi ornamental plant din ito but this is also a fruit. So as you can see, this one, kung hindi niyo pa familiar ang halaman na ito, this is a magic fruits plant. So when it comes to the growing season right now, so growing season siya, and as you can see, meron po siyang mga pink leaves sa kanilang, at the edge of the leaves, the new leaf coming up. So, may pink leaves po siya. So, growing season siya ngayon. So, na-include natin siya. This one is a magic fruits o magic plant. Tinawag siya na magic plant because when it comes to the fruits, when you taste the fruits and you taste other food, magiging matamis lahat ng lasa dahil na ano nyo to. So, napakaganda ang halaman na ito. This is a fruit tree also, but it can also use as a medicinal and herbal. So, 1 year na ito sa akin, and nandito po siya sa direct sunlight sa terrace namin kasi mas gusto nila na nasa direct sunlight po siya. And this month, I've noticed na gumaganda po siya. Hindi po siya lumalaki na masyadong malaki pero mas nagbo-bush siya, which is kumakapal yung mga dahon niya. So yon ang ating magic fruits or magic tree. So I don't know the scientific name or botanical name. If you know, mga ka-jungle, you can comment below. So the next collections that we have here is our Gloriosum philodendron. Our Gloriosum philodendron is one of our first philodendron gloriosum here, collecting this plant. And napansin ko dito, tumutubo at gumaganda po ang ating philodendron. So it's been 2 months already when I got this plant from a plant shop, a plant garden, and I'm so very happy to have this. And meron na siyang sprout na tumutubo dito, at as you can see, beautiful leaves, at yan, ilalagay nyo lang po siya, not in direct sunlight, pero sa morning sunlight, medyo natututukan lang siya, just 2 hours of sunlight. Kasi gaganda pa yung mga dahon niya. So, what I love this philodendron gloriosum is pwede po talaga siyang ipasok sa loob ng ating mga kwarto o sa ating mga tahanan kasi pampaswerte din po siya. So, the texture of the leaf is velvet. Yan, velvet po siya, magaspang. So, the next collection that we have here is, this is one of my favorite house plant, which is the silver satin pothos. I forget the name. Silver satin pothos, one of my favorite, and they grow well this month. Very growing, very thriving, and very giving plants for me. So they are easy to take care. Although sometimes they are sensitive when it comes to sunlight kasi ayaw nila ng masyadong tutok sa direct to sun. They want a indirect and a shady area. So, kaya pala tumutubo siya ngayong buwan na ito kasi medyo malamig na ang panahon. Hindi po siya velvet pero dark silver po siya yung kanyang dahon. Pero pag hawakan niyo siya guys, medyo elastic po siya, parang same ng rubber tree. And I love this mga ka-jungle. This one is giving for me, giving love. And it gives me aesthetic style of plants that we have kasi maganda po yung kanyang physical touch. Wow, physical touch talaga. So our next plant that is thriving right now is our leopard lily, or what we call the forever rich plant. So when it comes to the growing season right now, they grow, and nakadagdag ito sa points na nilagay ko ng MSG kasi bumulaklak yung ating leopard lily. So pag bumubulaklak ito, ang ganda guys, para siya at saka ang bango ng bulaklak niya. So this one is one of my favorite kasi this is a lucky charm for me. Forever rich po siya. It attracts positive and a lucky charm sa atin. Okay, the next one is our Paraiso Verde, which is the Philodendron Paraiso Verde, one of the rare plant that I have. So this one, it grows well this month. Nagtatribe talaga siya kasi lumalaki yung kanyang mga dahon at ewan ko ba, gumaganda siya this month. Siguro sa klima at saka sa lamig ng panahon at sa humidity. So, yon, they thrive well in this month, and I really love collecting this Paraiso Verde, one of the wish list before, and now I have now. So it's been 5 months or 6 months already when I've got this first collection, and na-propagate na padami ko po siya, and siguro nakabawi na naman tayo dito kasi one of my collection ay nabenta ko na. And one of my favorite also for investment. Next one that can grow easily and thriving this month is our ZZ plant. So napansin ko dito kasi casual and palagi talaga siyang gumaganda when it comes to rainy season and sunny season. They want to grow easily and gumagana yung mga dahon nila. Huwag nyo lang po siyang itutok talaga sa sunlight kasi like afternoon, huwag nyo siyang itutok. Morning sunlight is better. So gumaganda siya ngayong buwan at napasama ko po siya. So yan guys ang ating mga collection na nagda-thrive this month, and I'm so very happy na na-share ko sa inyo ang one of my collection ko na mga plants. Actually, napansin ko din sa mga plants ko na iba, nag-grow talaga sila. Lalo na yung lemon ko, American lemon, they grow fast in this month. Siguro growing season na nila. Lalo ng mga alocasia ko, soon I will be able to share with you the alocasia kasi tumutubo na po siya. Ngayon kasi, nung nakaraang month, hindi po siya tumutubo ng maganda. So ngayon, since meron naman po siyang bulb and tumutubo na po siya, kasi nilagay ko po siya sa morning sunlight and they love it. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page. Ayan mga ka-jungle, I will see you next episode because more plant, less stress.